The first thing you need to do is go to the S3 console. Here you need to create a bucket. Call this bucket whatever you want. It is best practice to enable versioning on your buckets, as well as encryption. You now need to make another bucket. This bucket will be used for the outputs of your queries. Do the same here, enabling versioning and encryption. Now that you have those buckets, you need to open your terminal and upload some files into the buckets. You can use the S3 console if you wish. Now that you have got files in your buckets, you need to go to Athena and configure it to run for the first time. This includes setting the default output bucket. To do that, you click Settings, enter your S3 bucket location, full path, starting with S3 and ending with a /. Now that Athena is set up, go to AWS Glue. The first thing you need to do is set up a database. Within this database, we're going to add a new crawler. Name this crawler however you like. Choose an existing data store and use a specified path in your account. From here, you need to select your folder containing your CSV file. You will likely need to create a new IAM role. This role will have reader access to S3. Now the crawler is created, you will need to run it. This may take a few minutes. Once the crawler is run, you should now see a new table under your Tables section. You can test this by going to Athena. Clicking Get Started. Because we have already configured it, there is no additional configuration. Just select your table, then click Preview Table. You can also run additional queries here, and all results will be outputted as a CSV format. Once the query is complete, you will see a preview of the results below, or you can click the Save As button to download it. To follow the latest AWS features, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video.